Hi, just thought I'd do a quick video. I've seen this question come up on forums quite a lot, and I feel a video is a bit easier to answer the question, and it is how to run a diesel header tank with your 16 valve, or any of the TU petrols. It's exactly the same. The key components you need are these pipes here. Sorry, not this pipe, that's from your heater matrix, but this pipe and the pipework that goes down there into the manifold at the back. It's very slightly different on the diesel engine than it is to the 16 valve, so you will need that unless you can block off pipes. I blocked off pipes with a bolt and some sealant, but this is from a diesel. You need the tank, and you need a radiator, either from the 1.5 diesel, or if you get an aftermarket one. This is a 205 XAD alloy thing that was cheap. But the important thing to note is it's got this takeoff at the top. That takeoff at the top goes to, it can go to this one or this one, and then you just blank whatever the other one is off, because this return is comes from the diesel cylinder head, which of course the 16 valve and the 8 valve petrols don't have. And the process for bleeding it's very similar, apart from the fact obviously you can't bleed the radiator, but that's what this pipe's for. It's self-bleeding up to this tank. So all you do, the engine off and cold, you just open your bleed point and keep filling the header tank until it comes out of there, and then keep filling it, and then take this valve out here until there's no air coming out there, then close it, and that's you good to go. So that's it. It's relatively straightforward. Hopefully that clears up any confusion.